Bismillahirrahmanirrahim wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Dear my students, grade 8, we are going to go on and complete studying our unit, the second unit for the first term. The title of this unit is Life Events. Let's go on and study our unit. We are going to start this lesson by asking some questions for the previous lesson. Have you ever made a kite? If you have ever made a kite, you are going to say what? Yes, I have. If you haven't, you are going to say no, I haven't. Have you ever traveled by train? Have you ever traveled by train? If you have been outside Kuwait and you have traveled by train before. Have you ever lost something important? Do you remember this? Have you ever lost something important? Let's go on and study our new vocabulary. A boy always dreams of becoming a star footballer. He joined a football club to practice the sport and achieve his dream. Achieve. The word achieve means to succeed in finishing something or reaching a goal. So if you are going to achieve something, it means you are going to succeed in it. Dream it, believe it, and achieve it. The second word, he keeps practicing to improve his skills. Improve. Improve here means becoming better. Improve. To get better or to make something better. Improve. Let's move to the third one. All great achievements require hard work and time. Require. It means need. So when I say the sentence but in another way, all great achievements need hard work and time, the same like what? Require. Require, to need something or to make something necessary. Require. Require. We have another word here. By training, players could master their skills. Master. Master. Do something well. So if you train them, they are going to master their skills. Do this well. Master. To learn how to do something well. Master. Let's move to another word here. You must wash your hands frequently to prevent the spread of flu. Our word here is frequently. Frequently. When I say frequently, it means often. Often. So frequently means often. So you have to wash your hands often. Why? To prevent the spread of flu.